I would buy this one, it's not too long. Pretty sick. This is the hardest part because this epic airsoft production has been brought to you by airarmory.com and hitguns.com. I don't know. Travis, try using my gun. What? My gun's God.
No, grind still.
You guys know what grind is?
Oh, listen to this.
Get twice as fast out of it.
That's not even that. Whatever.
Hey!
I'm not shooting you.
I'm out, so that's why I'm not doing anything. Did you record me saying that?
Yep. I want to see if you can see my BB.
Dude, take it. Do you like pause it and then re-record it?
No, it just stops recording. What the hell is... There's Tim. Is that his P90?
Yep.
That's so quiet.
Oh, yeah.
That's awesome. And
Damn
there's
it.
that.
We lost. Shit.
Smile. I'm not gonna get into this. Freaking guy hit like 3 times. Travis, do me a favor and don't hit me, please.
What?
Do me a favor and please don't hit me.
Try not to.
God. Oh my God, why are you going where I am?
I think I saw him retreat back. But he's definitely at our 12. Done, BJ? What the fuck's that noise?
It's a lawnmower.
No, we're like really high pitched.
I know, it's way over there.
You really need Tim to go around there now. He's on the edge.
Travis, time for your close-up. Outstanding move by Travis.
DJ, watch your mouth.
And there's DJ.
Got a head?
BJ, your gun is so quiet.
Okay. Ryan, are you out? Tim, you... Where's Tim? You got him?
P90 is so freaking silent.
I saw someone shooting. I thought you ducked. I thought you were Tim. Huh? Fish out. Where's the food? Go start firing. I know.
If you want hot dogs, you're not getting them in the bun. Most Grande has buns.
Doesn't matter. I don't.
We could start a fire at my house.
We already got like fire protection.
Yeah, well, why would we go to my house to get the hot dogs to come back in here?
We're just gonna play another game afterwards. BJ, did you snipe him? So lucky.
Like the battery came out, the battery holder came out.
That's why you didn't hear it.
Yeah. So like, are we gonna?
Oh, because Nick called you
Yeah, I called you. I was wondering the heck you were.
after you found it.
Nick freaking, he was over there and he ran all the way around.
I know.
Ammo, shot us, ran around again, and came around and got us.
I was telling Brian, get to cover as Tim.
I love the
killed
games.
me.
Like we run around for like 45 minutes before anyone shoots each other.
Yeah.
So we're playing another
That's
one.
so tight.
On the first time, you didn't even see me. I was like,
I was like,
Travis,
yeah, for like half
I
an
really
hour.
had nowhere else to go.
I was
Just
like,
preview
right
chasing
over there, I'm
me.
like,
I'm like, all right.